Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Ahad Beauty World. Today I will share with you how to whiten my teeth at home with orange peel natural remedies. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because never miss another update. First I need, rubbing your teeth with the orange peel is a natural and reliable way to whiten your teeth. The white part of the orange peel contains a compound called limonene, which is used in many whitening commercial products. Like the fruit itself, the orange peel is not acidic. Therefore, there is no risk of damage to the tooth enamel. Rub your teeth with orange peel twice a week and then brush your teeth with toothpaste. Second I need toothpaste. Third I need lemon juice. Yet another great fruit that works also as a great teeth whitener is lemon. Lemons contain high acid level in the peel, which is a great whitener or even bleaching agent. You can use the lemon in two different ways. Use the lemon peel to rub on your teeth or squirt the lemon juice on your teeth. If you decide to use the juice of the lemon, you will need to mix it with equal quantity of water. How to use. Brush the teeth with this recipe. Brush only 3 times in a week. Do it 3 to 4 weeks will get result. Do not brush with this recipe every days. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.